Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program Kia Optima key fob, full guide. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed, the working key fob, and the new fob ready to program. Turn the ignition to on then off 5 times ending in on to enter programming mode, then press and hold both lock and unlock on the new fob until hazards flash. Begin by inserting the working key and turning the ignition to on then off 5 times ending in on to activate programming mode. Press any button on the working fob, then press a button on the new fob until the hazards flash to confirm registration. Repeat for additional fobs, then test every function carefully to ensure lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic work before finishing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers save time and keep food fresh. They stack neatly in the trunk or glove box for emergency snacks after long drives. They also prevent sauce from ruining your seat after a fob programming victory. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Common issues include weak batteries, incorrect timing, and incompatible fobs, so always start by replacing the battery and using the exact button sequence with doors closed. If the vehicle still will not enter programming, check for dealer-level security locks or consider using an OBD programmer to diagnose the issue. When in doubt, consult the owner's manual or a professional locksmith to avoid locking yourself out or damaging vehicle electronics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.